Hi all. In this lecture we are going to see very few commands on working with directories. So let us in Windows we say folders and Linux and Unix we say directories. Let us see how to create a directory. So I am in one directory. To open that I'll give open space dot. So I am in a directory named Unix and these are my files present inside that. So inside this I am going to create one subdirectory. For that the command is your making directory. So it is mkdir, make directory, directory name. So new folder or new F like that I have given. So now I am listing and seeing the new directory names is displayed. I can also open and see here a new directory has been created. This is how we have to move inside the directory. So I want to now my location is in Unix. So I want to go inside that directory or I want to change my directory. For changing directory the command is cd space the directory which you want to change. So from Unix my directory has been changed to new F. As we all know, now only we created this and nothing is inside that. You don't have any files. So if I am trying to list the files, nothing is inside that, which means we are in the directory new F. As removing a directory, always remember that if you want to remove a directory, you must be out of that directory. Now I am inside new F directory. Now being inside itself I am trying to remove the directory means I will not be able to do that. So for removing the directory the command is remove directory rmdir. So if I am trying to do so I will not be able to do. So you have to come out of the directory. So I have come out of, for coming out of the directory we will be writing cd space dot dot. So I have come out of the new folder. Now if I am removing rmdir is the command for removing the directory. Remove directory new F means my directory has been removed. So ls I am typing, it is not displaying. I am opening and seeing, it is not displaying. So the next command is, if you want to know the current working directory, you can type the command pwd, present working directory. It will give the path of the present working directory. So to know the path of your OS, you can just give echo space $home in caps. If you are giving this command, this will be giving you the path to the OS, where it is installed. So to move the files within directory, you can use mv. So I am again creating a directory new R. So nothing is inside that. I want to move the file to inside that. For that mv space file name space the directory name. So my directory name is new R. So ls new R is there. I am going inside new R. Now I am typing ls. My file has been moved into the new location. So this is how you will be moving the files within directories. Thank you.